Lumens, your reliable partner.
Welcome to Lumens' amazing everywhere tracking mode. This video is broken down into 4 simple steps. First, this is the equipment you need to get going. You will need a computer, the supplied remote control, and a VC-TA50 camera. Step 2. First, let's start everywhere tracking using the remote controller. Power up the camera and press the on button to start tracking. Press the full button to track the subject's whole body. Press the upper button to track the top half of the subject. Alternatively, you can set up everywhere tracking using the web interface. Log in using your username and password, then click the Tracking tab to access the configuration page. In the Tracking Mode menu, select Everywhere Mode. Next, click the Settings icon to access the advanced settings. Here you can specify tracking of the whole or upper part of the body. You can even specify whether the person you are tracking is to be positioned to the left, right, or center of the frame. We can now set up the tracking zone. Set and save the left and right edges to define the tracking area. The camera will now continuously analyze the scene within these boundaries. Step 4. Everywhere Tracking Demo. Let's see the Everywhere Tracking mode in action. Press Auto Tracking to activate the camera. Here's the camera tracking in full body mode. And now in half body mode. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.